Hi everyone, today I will be doing a tutorial on eyebrow correction. Did you know that corrective permanent cosmetic procedures make up 70% of our total services? Yep, scary stuff. So in this video, as you can see, the client needed a blue brow corrector. She also has an incorrect shape and asymmetry. This is my step-by-step how I would approach it. Part 2 of this video series will show you more examples along with healed results. So remember to subscribe so that you can stay informed and see the follow-ups. Step 1. I need to reshape my client's brows. I have to make do with the pigment still in the skin, but also want to improve the shape to be more symmetrical and to better enhance her beautiful features. Step 2. I use my blue brow corrector over the old pigment only, not on the virgin skin. Be very thorough when working in your corrector. You want its opacity to neutralize and cover the old blue ink. Step 3, which would be my final step, taking my pigment of choice, in this case it was dark brown MB, I cover the entire new brow area. Premier pigments have an amazing corrective pigment line to correct any unwanted and unnatural colors in the skin. In this situation, what I think went wrong was the pigment was implanted too deep. The pigment then heals cool as it is breaching into her reticular dermal layer. I find this to be the most common reason for pigment turning blue. Alternatively, what could have happened was the permanent cosmetic professional might have simply chosen the wrong pigment. Choosing a cool pigment with a cool skin tone can lead to unwanted cool healed results, which can be really hard to fix if you don't have the right pigment choices and training. Understanding color theory is crucial to your success as a permanent cosmetic professional. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful in any way, please will you hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, we'd love to help. My details are on the screen. Just simply give me a shout.